In the Buddhist teaching, another term for emotions is subtle expander. Expand, you know. It's subtle at the beginning. It's very subtle, like the sparks, you know, like the sparks of fire, you know, like each individual spark, you know, it's like that. It's very subtle, tiny, so to speak, or almost invisible. And then it expands, right? It expands when it meets with different conditions, right? So different conditions, when they come together, so that's the environment we're talking about here, right? For example, when it comes with the environment, different conditions together, then this subtle emotion expands, right? It grows to a point that at some point we are not able to control it. At the beginning, at the level of a spark, if you can notice that, it's easy to control, right? It's like when you see a little spark, it's easy, you know. You don't probably not need to do much, you know, except you need to take care of the environment. And when you miss that point, and when the sparks become a little fire, a small fire, it's manageable, right? You can control that. But when you don't work at that level of a small fire, then it can become the forest fire or the house fire, and then it's getting more and more out of control. And for that reason, you know, recognizing or seeing our emotion at the very beginning stage becomes a crucial thing. So the mindful gap process is the most important at the beginning, right? To see that. If you can see at that level, right? If you can experience emotion at that level, and you have the clear seeing, you know, taking care of the environment altogether, then the fire doesn't grow to a point where it is not controllable, right? When these two things come together. With the mindful gap, you know, you're seeing the subtle part, so to speak, you know, when it's just arising, or when the fire sparks are just moving. And then when you have the clear seeing, you see the whole environment. And so you can actually take care of the fire in a positive way.